What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today I got a quick little shout out for my wife's channel, as well as showing two plants that I picked up from Home Depot for her. She went with me this time. Last time she did not. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? So this is just going to be a quick little video shout out to my wife's channel. I will leave a card up here for her channel. Picked up some plants yesterday while I was out to surprise her. And there's two basil plants here. Their price, it's sweet basil, they're Bonnie plants. The price is $14.98 on the tag. They rang up as $9.98 a piece. So I was expecting, you know, 30, 40 bucks, you know, 30 bucks, you know, 15 a piece. They didn't ring up at that. My wife woke up to get ready for work. I told her there was a surprise in the kitchen for her. These were sitting here. She liked them, and I told her that we can go back. I had to go to the store today anyways, so she stayed up with me, and we went early in the morning to Home Depot and picked up these two guys, which is two more. They're not as bushy and as large as these two. These are very, very big. But we picked up two more. This one is about as bushy as this one, as these two. This one's got a little less on it, but not a big deal. They are still really wet. We picked them up as they were watering them because we got there like 5 minutes after they opened. So now she's got 4 plants that are basil. 10, basically $9.98. So if you round it up to 10, it's $10, $20, $30, $40 worth of basil instead of $14.98 a piece. So it's a pretty good deal. Looks like Lowe's as well as Home Depot are doing little deals on plants. Food plants that either produce fruit or plants that are like herbs, stuff like that. So it would have been about 60 bucks at $14.98 plus tax, so it would have been $59.92 plus tax. So it would have been $65 for these plants with tax. I only paid $42 with tax, so it's not bad at all. Great price. And just a quick video. I will also leave a couple cards up here for a couple of my wife's gardening videos. If you guys like gardening stuff, go ahead and go check out the cards that I put in the top up here in the corner. My wife does lots of things. She does cooking videos, she does gardening videos, as well as makeup videos. She's been doing a lot more gardening videos lately. My wife sometimes does her videos in front of the toolboxes. Sometimes she starts them outside. Sometimes she does these plant videos or makeup videos in her office. It all depends on what we're doing, I guess, and what she's doing and where she wants to do it. But go check her out. I will leave links up at the top for cards. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And for my channel updates, the channel is paying for itself now, so it's paying for tools. It's going to be paying for wood. Need to pick up 2 Sheet Master jaw horses because I'm going to be buying wood. We're going to be doing hammer drill head-to-heads, impact driver head-to-heads, impact wrench head-to-heads, and so on and so forth. I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that watch, the people that like, the people that dislike, people that use the affiliate links, people that watch the ads. It's very much appreciated. It's all thanks to you guys that I can bring this stuff to the channel to you guys. Tools. We got Lots of tools. Power Detect DeWalt hammer drill. We have the Metabo HPT hammer drill. We have the newest Makita 18 volt hammer drill. We're going to be bringing the newest Makita 40 volt hammer drill to the channel. We've got 12 volt hammer drill in here. This guy right here, 12 volt hammer drill for DeWalt. We even have the regular drill. We have impact drivers for lots of brands. So we got lots of tools that we can do tool testing on. Hope that's something that interests you. If it does, like and subscribe to my channel and smush the bell notification icon for updates. That's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace! Spaghetti tacos. Do you know you like your spaghetti tacos?